Welcome, this is Minu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. Mithun Chakravarti accuses Bengal CM of misleading Muslims on Waqf law, praises Himanta Biswa Sharma. On one hand, his words reflected admiration for the Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma as a trusted leader of the people. On the other hand, he did not hold back from criticizing West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. While speaking to reporters in Silchar, Bollywood superstar Dada Saheb Phalke awardee and actor-turned-politician Mithun Chakravarti said, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma is a strong political leader. He has a firm backbone. He is a noble Chief Minister and the public has great trust in him. Superstar Mithun Chakravarti visited Silchar on Friday to attend the Borak Cultural Festival organized by the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. He also alleged that the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is confusing the Muslim community by misrepresenting the Waqf Act and its current status. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and support us by following the Facebook page.
সেই সময় তৃণমূল পার্টি অন্য পার্টি ছিল, সেই সময় মমতা ব্যানার্জি অন্য মমতা ব্যানার্জি ছিল, একটা ফাইটার, একটা লোকের ভালো করার একটা ইচ্ছা, গরিবদের পাশে গরিবদের ইচ্ছা, সেটা ছিল। আর আজকের মমতা ব্যানার্জি পাওয়ার হাঙ্গি হয়ে গেছে, যে কোনো ভাবে পাওয়ার চাইবে।